So in today's class we will discuss about the unit and dimension. Okay. So first is unit. So what is units? What are the physical quantities? And then we will consider the unit. First is physical quantities. Okay. So physical quantities, these are the quantities which can we measure the directly. Okay, those quantity which we can measure directly. Again, which we can measure directly or indirectly, in terms of which directly or indirectly in terms of which the physical equations are expressed. Okay, so what are these physical quantities in general? So तुम डे टू डे लाइफ रे so basic quantities देखिए आस्तु what are the basic quantities? These are the mass, length, time, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity, and current. So these are the 7 basic quantities. So all these quantities you can measure directly or indirectly. Okay, so these are the physical quantities. Physical quantities means तुम्हें ताको कौन डायरेक्टली किंबा इनडायरेक्टली मेजर करि परियो. ओके, सपोज यू आर बाइंग 5 kg of sugar. 5 kg of sugar. Here 5 is the magnitude. Here 5 will be the magnitude, and kg is the unit. Okay, which we are discussing here. Discussing here is totally about unit. Okay, then we will discuss about these fundamental quantities from these physical quantities. What are the fundamental quantities? Those quantities which you can measure directly, like mass, length, time, electric current, amount of substance, temperature and luminous intensity. So these are all these known as fundamental quantities. Second, from these fundamental, using these fundamental quantities को यूज करिकी आमे कौन करि परिबा ना सेकंड क्वांटिटीज वी कैन डिराइव, दैट इज derived unit. The unit which we can derive using fundamental quantities. Suppose I am using this fundamental quantities mass and length and time. Suppose I am discussing about velocity. Velocity, you know, this is speed, distance by time, displacement by time. So displacement by time means this will be length by time. Okay, so this length by time, this is combination of two quantities, that is length and time. Length is fundamental quantities, time is the fundamental quantities. You are using here the length and time, which are both the fundamental quantities. So this will be the derived unit. So velocity एटी कौन होबो ना derived unit होबो कौन पाई ना तुम एटी length भी हला fundamental quantities and time भी हला fundamental quantities. Then acceleration. Okay, acceleration, change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time, so this will be length by time square. Okay, again force, mass into acceleration. So mass m, acceleration is lt minus 2. Okay, so here you are using mass and acceleration. These are the fundamental quantities. Angular momentum. Angular momentum here is mass into velocity. So you are using generally the basic fundamental quantities. Here is, this is mass into length by time. Here this is mass into length by time square. So all you are using this, using fundamental quantities. You are deriving certain kinds of units, okay, which are known as derived units. Okay. Then the measuring processes. What are the measuring processes in our measurement? What are the measuring processes in our measurement? Measuring processes. Okay, so measuring processes, first is the unit, second is the numerical value or magnitude. Okay, ओके ए क्वांटिटी रो दीटा जिनस आसे गोटे हला यूनिट सेकंड हला कोन तर मैग्नीट्यूड सो यू कैन राइट फास्टली द मैग्नीट्यूड okay secondly or the magnitude or numerical value this you can write or numerical value second is the unit okay so these are the measuring processes you are using the two units that is two quantities that is the unit and the numerical value or magnitude suppose one quantity I am taking is q equal to nu the quantity is q equal to nu here suppose 5 kg sugar here 5 is the numerical value that is magnitude and kg is unit okay 5 is the magnitude and kg is the unit okay therefore I can write q I can write a quantity q which is n1 u1 which is also equal to n2 u2 okay by example you will understand this suppose I am taking 2 kg of sugar or 2 kg of a body I am considering suppose a body then the body mass is 2 kg it is moving with 3 meter per second and another body mass is 3 kg moving with 2 meter per second okay then what will be this momentum here you will consider the momentum p1 is m1 v1 which will be 6 kg meter per second here p2 which will be m2 v2 which will be also equal to 6 kg meter per second so you are getting the same quantities okay this value is constant this q value is constant okay then we will go to the system of units what are the basic system of units we will move to this basic system of units the system of units तो जो बेसिक सिस्टम तुम मेजरमेंट करूच तार बेसिक सिस्टम्स कौन ताको मेजर करिया पे ओके that is you are using kg meter second so these are the basic तो सेटा को हमें कौन कहउचंती फर्स्ट इज एसआई सिस्टम एसआई सिस्टम ओके एसआई सिस्टम रे तमर जोटा आछि मास राछि kg लेंथ राछि मीटर time rust is second these are the basic okay then we will move to the CGS unit CGS unit C for centimeter G for gram and S for second this is the second basic centimeter for length this is the corresponding of length this is the corresponding of mass and second is the corresponding of time okay which we have used in the SI system mass pai am use korthile kg length pai meter and time pai second correspondingly आम यूज कर सीजीएस रे सेंटीमीटर ग्राम एंड सेकेंड then the third system that is FPS system एफपीएस सिस्टम रे कौन आछी एफ रे फुट लेंथ पे जो यूज करछो फुट पी फॉर पाउंड एंड एस फॉर सेकंड ओके फुट इज फॉर लेंथ pound is for weight that is mass and s is for second okay then we will consider these supplementary units. What are the basic supplementary units? Okay. So in supplementary unit there are two parts. First is the plane angle and second is the solid angle. Second is the solid angle. Okay. So first is for plane angle we are using radian. For solid angle we are using steradian. For solid angle we are using this steradian. So first what is radian? First we will consider what is radian. Okay, radian, it is the plane angle subtended at the center of a circle. The plane angle subtended at the center of the circle okay at the center of a circle by an arc okay so the arc is equal to length of the radius of the circle. Arc equal to the length of the radius of the circle. So if I will consider a circle, then it will have a radius r, then this is my radius r, this is my arc length, and this is suppose angle theta. Okay, then what is the basic relation between them? The relation is theta in radian, theta in radian is equal to length, that is arc length by radius, arc length by radius. So this is arc length by radius, that is L by R. So theta you use, this is L by R. So this is radian, this is for a degree. So this is angle subtended, plane angle subtended at the center, that is theta, is what? This is the by an arc of length L to the radius of the circle. Okay, arc length to the radius is known as what? This is known as the radian. Okay, secondly we will go to this steradian. Okay, radian is used for plane angle, radian is used for plane angle, and steradian is used for solid angle. Solid angle is you will use frequently in the three-dimensional object, and this plane angle you will use to the one dimension and two dimension. So this is steradian, second is my solid angle or steradian. What is the basic definition of steradian? Okay, steradian is, it is defined as the solid angle subtended at the center of the sphere solid angle subtended at center of the sphere Okay, center of sphere when this will okay by an surface of the sphere okay equal in area by an surface of sphere equal in area to what? Equal in area to that of the sphere okay having okay to that of the sphere equal in area to that of the sphere. Okay, equal in area to that of the sphere having each side equal to a radius of sphere, having each side equal to radius of the sphere. Equal to radius of sphere. So this solid angle you can write what is the surface area of sphere, that is surface area by radius square. So you generally know the surface area of the sphere, this is 4 pi r square. Okay, surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Our radius is like r square, so r square will get cancelled, you will get 4 pi. Okay, so जो 4 pi तुम्हें पाइबो 4 pi टा कौन 4 pi टा है कौन solid angle. So the solid angle you generally will use in the 3-dimensional figure. Okay. धीरे धीरे मतलब प्रैक्टिस ही ना. Then the quantities we will use, we will describe this about these quantities. In positive we will use first. Okay, first is deca, then hecta. Okay, first is deca, then hecta, then kilo, mega, giga, okay, and tera. तापरे आसो कौन पेटा. सो डेका पाई केते आसियो, डेका पाई आम 10 to the power 1, हेक्टा पाई नवा 10 to the power 2, किलो किलो होला 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, 1 kilo माने केते 1000 ग्राम, that is 10 to the power 3. 1000 is 10 to the power 3. Mega, mega means 10 to the power 6. Giga 10 to the power 9. Tera 10 to the power 12. Peta 10 to the power 15. Okay. Correspondingly आमे तार बाहर करिबा नेगेटिव रे डेसी. ओके, डेका रहला डेसी, यार रहला सेंटी, देन मिली, सेंटी, देन मिली, मिली मिली पर क्या आसियो माइक्रो. ओके, मिली आफ्टर मिली यू विल गेट माइक्रो. तापर आसियो नानो. ओके, नानो इज वेरी स्मॉल. देन पिको एंड फेमटो, पिको एंड फेमटो. So what is deci? Correspondingly this is 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power centi is 10 to the power minus 2. से बड़ा मिली पे तुम्हारा कितने आसियो 10 to the power minus 3. माइक्रो पे आसियो कितने 10 to the power minus 6. नानो पे आसियो 10 to the power minus 9. पिको पे आसियो 10 to the power minus 12 एंड फेमटो पे आसियो कितने 10 to the power minus 15. Okay. Correspondingly, you can write 10 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 10, 10 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power minus 3, you know, 1 by 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus 6 is 1 by 10 to the power 6, nano is 1 by 10 to the power 9th time. This is very small quantities. तापर आसला 10 to the power minus 12 which is pico आउरी small है गला. Then femto जेतले आमे जीवा 10 to the power minus 15, this will be very small. Okay, तो बहुत small range को जेतले तुमे जीवो, then you will use this nano, pico and femto. Okay. Okay.